We're going to Disney World. We're going to Disney World. Hi-ho the Dario. We're going to Disney World. Second verse, same as the first. We're going to Disney World. Hi. Hi everyone. Bill and Kari for KB Tricks.
Hello.
What are we doing, hon?
Well, as you gave away right away, we are headed to Disney World in a couple of days.
Yay! Before we leave, what do we have to do?
We have to pack.
Yay! So we're just going to show you some of our little things that we pack for our vacation. The first thing you have to do, at least for us, is we have to...
You have to remove the dachshund from the suitcase.
They know something's up and they want to go. And they're like, take me, Daddy, take me, Mom.
Holly will climb in the suitcase. Archie just stands off to the side and just looks very sad and wonders what's going on.
You're not leaving me, are you? Yes, yes we are. Kari's got a little bit of a Loungefly obsession starting here, so she wants to take all her Loungeflies on our trip. And I'm going to start taking those down for her so she can pack those.
I wasn't planning on taking all of my Loungeflies with me, but somebody on one of my Facebook groups had mentioned that one of the things they do is they pack all their day's clothes in one Loungefly and then they just pull out the Loungefly. So I've got my t-shirt, my shorts, my mask, my mini ears, and then all I need to do is take Holly out of the suitcase again. And it fits in just like that. And then I can put that one in. And that one in. And look at that!
You have 3 days packed in this little pretty good area here. Stay out of there. No.
She's looking for a place to rest.
No, don't go back in the luggage.
So a lot of people use like packing cubes. We'll see how this works because these are more fun.
It's essentially the same thing. In comparison, I'm just a guy, so I'm gonna... there you go, Holly, thanks. The fun packing things aside, a few things that we pack for is with Disney and mid-Florida weather, we're not sure, so we always pack at least a light jacket because even if we have an 80-degree day and the next day it drops on to 60, it's going to feel cool, so we might want to have a jacket. You can get ponchos at the park, but these can be like, what, 20 bucks or something?
They're expensive. They're close to 20. I don't think they've quite hit the $20 mark yet.
But they're pricey. Meanwhile, we could go to Target and we bought all these for $2 each today, and these are thinner, but they do the trick, and we can just throw them away at the end of the day if we wanted to. However, it could be warm too, so we have some cooling towels. Basically, all this does is we get these wet, we can go to the sink in a bathroom, and then we can just wear them around our neck to help us keep cool. Gonna pack our thermos here to keep water in it, and Kari tried this. This will fit into her Loungeflies. Something else I might pack is a scale for our luggage because, you know, sometimes there's that 50-pound weight restriction.
Hopefully we don't have to worry about it with this trip.
Yeah, we're packing light on this one. Something else we pack for is we have a USB. So many things use USB now, so we'll park this so we can charge several things at once. Otherwise, we also have a splitter for power, just in case that we can't find enough outlets. They have remodeled a lot of rooms recently, so they have put more outlets or USB ports. We also keep extra cables in our bag. That way when we travel, we don't have to worry about forgetting them. And these are 10-foot cables because sometimes we don't have an outlet on both sides of the bed, and we can reach this from the nightstand in the middle between the beds if we have two queens, and they can get to the other side. That way we can have our phones next to us. We also have a charge port. I like this one because A, it's flat, and I can put this in my one bag or my pocket. It doesn't take up as much space you think. It also has a lot of power to it, and a charge cable for our phones. Right now they still have mask requirements, and so we have a lot of masks. We're going to take extra masks in case they get wet or we sweat through. We can also try different thicknesses or whatever, however we feel. I will pack a cheap extra pair of sunglasses because if my main pair of sunglasses break or I lose them, I'm not paying Disney prices to replace them. I got my fun little Hidden Mickey book. ridden by our friend Steve, who we met on our last trip. You can go check out that video. He's a really nice guy. And then we also pack a bunch of Disney gift cards. The way how we do this is we can buy discounted gift cards through Target or other places for 5 or 10% off, possibly if there's a good sale. And we can pay with our Magic Band at restaurants or places, and then we go to concierge the next day to use our gift cards to put on our account. And then we pack 1 extra day of clothes per day, and we put our first day into our carry-on, and the rest we'll have in our check-in luggage. And Holly is persistent and she will not give up. But are we all ready to go, hon?
I think we're ready.
Minus 1 dachshund.
Minus 1 dachshund who's going to be spending the weekend at Grandma and Grandpa's.
Yeah. Sorry, Holly. Nice try.
Another thing we're packing are these collapsible reusable straws. Great for drinks, beats having to use the paper straws. We love using them.
We had to hold Holly so she didn't jump in the luggage one more time. But that's a little bit of light packing. Light.
We're only gone for 3 days. Should see us when we pack for a week.
Particularly on a cruise.
Oh yeah. We'll do a packing video next time.
And all that stuff. Anyway, so you should check out our next video. We're planning on documenting our trip from home to Walt Disney World. We have a late flight that day. Kari has a 4-day weekend, so we're going to leave after she gets off of work, and we're going to get into Disney World super early in the morning.
This is a whole new experience for us.
We have not done this before, so it can be quite the interesting experience for us. We're really looking forward to that. Anyway, please do us a favor, like and subscribe so we know that you're out there. Until next time, I'm Bill.
I'm Kari. This is Holly.
Good luck and have fun.
See ya.
Bum, 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 bum.